What are you doing?
I want proof that you're actually doing windows.
Get over with.
Don't you dare go running down my little town where I grew up, and I won't cuss your city lights. If you ain't ever took a ride around and cruise right through the heart of my town, anything you say would be a lie. We may live our lives a little slower, but that don't mean I wouldn't be proud to show you where I come from. There's an old plowboy out turning up dirt where I come from. There's a preacher man in a cowboy shirt where I come from. Where a couple boys fight in the parking lot. No, nobody's gonna call the cops where I come from. See that door right there? Man, I swear that it ain't never been locked, and I guarantee that it never will. That old man right there in the rocking chair at the courthouse square, I'll tell you now, he could buy your fancy car with $100 bills. Don't let those faded overalls fool you. He made his millions without one day of schooling. Where I come from, there's a pickup truck with a tailgate down where I come from. The pine trees are singing a song of the South where I come from. That little white church is gonna have a crowd, yeah, I'm pretty damn proud where I come from. Where I come from, there's a big old moon shining down at night where I come from. There's a man done wrong, gonna make it right where I come from. There's an old plowboy out turning up dirt where I come from. There's a preacher man in a cowboy shirt where I come from. Where a couple boys fight in the parking lot. No,
See when you started, Ryan?
yeah, that river runs across that old
Listen,
place.
you have way more grades than I do.
Where I come from, where I come from.
Dewey, you want to head north on the east side of the east lake and figure out that speed up?
This goes out to all them hard-working Americans out there. We got you back, baby. Let's kick this thing, boys. I put my 40 in plus overtime. I ought to be proud of this check of mine. I open it up and I'd be damn. I worked half a week for Uncle Sam. He's up there having him a spending spree. A big old party and it's all on me. But he got his, now it's my turn to spend what's left of the money I earn. Light it up and let it burn. Work hard, play harder, get loud, go farther than any country boys ever gone before. I cut loose, I go crazy. I'll see you on Monday, maybe, when I'm down to my last dollar. Work hard, play harder. up to the light, neon shining on a Friday night. I make my living and I live my life.
Work hard, play harder, get loud, go farther than any country boy's ever gone before. Cut loose, go crazy, I'll see you on Monday maybe, when I'm down to my last dollar. Work hard, play harder. Work hard, play harder, get loud, go farther than any country boy's ever gone before. Cut loose, go crazy, I'll see you on Monday maybe, when I'm down to my last dollar. Work hard, play harder, give me some of that fire water. Work hard, play harder. Every morning when I get up, jet fuel in a coffee cup. Lord knows I ain't giving up. We're gonna take on the world today.
Sometimes it's green, green grass. Other times it kicks my ass. Half full, half empty glass, don't matter either way.